Hi everyone. So unfortunately this is mostly what my studio looks like when I've been doing stuff all over the week, and every time I do work on candles it's always in the evening because I work full-time on a 9 to 5 job. So when I do my pour and I make my candles, usually I feel too knackered to give it a good clean, and it needs to be done, so let's do it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my stuff to melt. So while it's melting, I'm gonna be able to give it a good clean, tidy things up, put away stuff that I need to be packing. You can see here I've been demolding and just making sure all the candles are ready to be packed. So I'm just gonna put those stuff away on my shelves, give this a nice good clean, and put everything to melt so I can do a pour later today. Alright, so that's it for the decorative wax. So my pillar wax is melting in the big melter because I need more volume. And I'm using my trusted buffalo kettle for all my scented candle. Now, I'm still in the process of swapping wax. So I found a new wax for my scented candle that is the best thing ever. I've never tried something like this before, but I'm not talking too much about it because it's only available in the UK, so I don't want to like sell you the dream and you can't get it. But I do still have some of my long time really reliable Eco Soya CB Advance that I still have, and I'm still going to use it up until I've run out, and then I'll swap all my candles over to the new wax. So in the meantime, and because I'm rotating 2 different wax, what I did is I bought a new pan. So this is the pan that goes into the soup kettle, and this allows me to not have to empty the pan every time. I've got one pan with my CB Advance, one pan with a new wax, and then I can rotate and just swap the pan in, just put something to cover and protect the wax so nothing, dirt and stuff don't get into it. So this is really, really handy to get an extra one. Okay.
Side of country music, Sunday to Thursday from 10 p.m. Country Line Chilled, here on Country Line.
Good morning. It's the next day. The candles have been sitting for a full day, so we're going to demold them, and then we're going to take some pictures for some new products that are in the range. And yeah, let's do this. So now we need to label all the candles that we've made. So I've printed all my label myself, and I just got them printed yesterday when I was waiting for all my stuff to melt. So they're all ready to get put on the label. I'm going to just show you one and then the final result, because it's quite a laborious process and you don't need to see it all. For today. Thanks for watching, and that's just a little glimpse on what a weekend in a small business candle maker working a 9-to-5 job looks like. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you liked what you saw, so I know that it's what you'll want to see again. And see you really soon for the next video. Bye!